I'm gonna do what everyone does and start it like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you guys are here to know more about me, to know some random facts about me in the middle of the day or in the middle of the night or whatever you're doing. You stop there to look at me and know more about me. I'm so thankful and I hope this is worth your time and you get to know a little bit more about me. And let's just hope that by the end of it, you guys still like me and not think of me as a weird person. So let's just get started. I don't want to waste any time. Let's go. So the first thing I'm starting with is a toner. This is the Wishful by Huda Beauty. So the first thing is that I procrastinate a lot. I am not lazy.
जनता को आप मूर्ख समझना बंद कर दीजिए.
I'm not lazy. When I have time to make videos, I don't make videos. I'm like, अब 2 दिन हो गए, अब video बनाना पड़ेगा. That is also really bad. I know the consequences of it are always negative, but still, that's me. Man. See, now I've started doing my makeup and electricity chali gayi. Guys, don't keep things for the last moment. Oh my god, aa gayi, light aa gayi. But still, what is that? I put that off and now the dog is barking.
What the beep?
The second thing about me is really weird, but don't judge me. I sleep with my ears folded. Like, I can't sleep if my ears are not folded, like really folded. And I would love it if I could also fold my other ear, but that is not possible. So I sleep like this, and sometimes when I'm trying to sleep, I also fold the other ear so that I can sleep better. I don't know why I do that, and I don't even remember when I got the habit of doing that. But yes, that is how I sleep, and I love it. And I can't sleep if I don't do that. I decided to do this thing because this is how you'll get to know me more and connect more with me. Not specifically talking about this habit because nobody can connect with this thing, I am sure. This is like really very normal makeup because I'm talking and I'm doing makeup, so I can't do like 3-layer cut crease pro max. And to be very honest, nobody likes 3-layer cut crease pro max level shit. You can't wear it to a party, you can't wear it outside, you can't do anything with that. It looks good on Instagram, but no.
I don't believe in soulmates, but तेरी नजरों ने दिल का
अब नो के बाद यही गाना आता है दिमाग में. I would also love to do it someday, like not being a hypocrite, but I would love to do it someday. But
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
I wouldn't go out wearing a 3-layer cut crease pro max. The next fact about me is the one thing that I really hate the most and it cringes me out is a dirty glass. I hate it. So the next fact is that I love to write in my notebooks rather than noting them down in my phone. If I have something important to write, I will always make sure that I have a notebook around me and then I note it down there because I don't like writing. I don't have the habit of writing in my phone notes. This year I decided that I'll get this planner and I'll write everything in this, but it turns out this year I don't really have a lot to write in this book because I really don't take any appointments because of COVID and not a lot of weddings are happening because of COVID. So this book is a total waste of money. The next fact about me is that I love vada pav. I can't live without vada pav. And the next one is pav bhaji. But yeah, I love vada pav to so much extent that I could eat it every day.
Daily 1 kg, 2 kg.
But I don't because yeah, I really get fat. What else? I'm not one of those lucky girls who can eat whatever they want every day. but my favorite food is vada pav. This one is like a layered fact. The vada pav comes with like two breads, right? I remove the upar wala bread, so I just eat it like a toast or something, because the upar wala bread is just another bread and it'll just taste the same like niche wala bread, so you're just eating. So that, I do this because I can eat two vada pav, so I'm not eating enough bread and I can then eat two vada pavs, because if you eat one full vada pav, you are full and then you want to eat more but you can't because you know you'll get fat. And so this is what I do, because I feel that is me trying to not gain more weight and also eat whatever I like. Which is, come on, not the smartest thing I can do, but I try. So the next thing about me is that I play PUBG a lot. It's banned right now, but I used to play back then as well. And right now also you can do a little settings and add VPN, and all my friends do it, not just me. So it's not only me doing the illegal shit. If somebody is going to come after me, come after all of us. So I play a lot of PUBG, and I played PUBG to such an extent when I was in college. My roommate introduced this game to me and she regretted it ever since, because exams में भी I was playing PUBG. एक छोटी सी चीज़ पढ़ने के बाद I was like let's play PUBG, and she stopped playing PUBG and I was still playing PUBG. She deleted the game but I was still at it. I loved it. I don't know, I was never a video game player, but I love PUBG, that's it. And I play with 3 fingers, not like 2 fingers, and I think that is pretty cool. I used to play really well, and then for a year we didn't play because everyone knows it got banned. And जब से ये PUBG वापस आया है ना, like illegally, I can't make videos. I just can't. Since I've started playing PUBG again, I make a lot less videos because I sleep at 6 in the morning and wake up very late, and then I sleep again in the afternoon because I haven't had enough sleep in the night. And that's how you see so less videos on IG right now. So I've decided that I'll play less PUBG and create more videos because this is my job. And I have a friend coming in right now, so let's ask him a fact that you guys don't know about me, and maybe he knows. So now the next fact about me is so bad, like I hate this one so much. Whenever I have dreams, it is mostly about my teeth falling. I mean, I'm so scared of that thing because I've gone through a lot of teeth stuff. I had braces for 3 years. I got a root canal recently, and even when I had braces, I used to brush my teeth a lot to keep them healthy, because the dentist told me that if you have braces, mostly your dental hygiene goes mad, and it doesn't it's not good because your toothbrush can't reach, so just forget it. But so that is very strange. I want to ask, do any of you get such dreams? Because I haven't really met anybody who gets dreams like this, and I am shit scared. I'm removing the baking powder right now. I'm using this lip plumper by Too Faced, this lip injection by Too Faced. I really like it because my lips are really chapped and dry like the Sahara Desert, and I've done a lot of things for it but nothing seems to work. I've tried so many things, but it is what it is. ये it is what it is बोल बोल के मैंने जीवन को इतना normalize कर दिया है ना, like. So my friend is here.
Hi.
So to tell us a fact about me that people don't know.
So her real name is Upasana.
मेरा नाम उपासना रखने वाले थे पर नहीं रखा, तो
She is Upasana.
I am not Upasana.
You are.
One more fact about me is that I can't make a ponytail. You'll always see me in a bun or open hair. I can't make a ponytail because it doesn't suit me first of all, and मेरे बाल बहुत खिंचते हैं. I can't take it. I'm getting Blair Waldorf kind of vibes today because I'm wearing this nice blazer and everything with shoulder pads. I don't know if you like this trend or not, but I really like it. So now this fact about me is really weird. I can't sit in theaters. I don't like watching movies in theaters. In 2018, I just watched one movie in the theater, if I'm not wrong. It was Andhadhun. And 2019, I watched Shubh Mangal Zada Savdhan. I don't really like Ayushman so much, but these were the only two movies. And that too, it wasn't me who was deciding to go to the movies. It was some of our friends, so I had to go. And yeah, I can't sit in the theater for so long because I don't have the patience to sit there for 2-3 hours and watch something that I don't know what's going to happen in the movie, right? If I want to go watch a movie, I need to know what's going to happen in the end. I remember being very, very small and I went to watch a movie called Kismet Connection, the Shahid Kapoor movie, and I asked my brother, you probably don't remember it, my brother, he said that Shahid Kapoor dies in the end, and that didn't happen. So I was like, what the hell? I was supposed to know it all along that he's going to die, and that didn't happen, and that really is messed up. I like to know what is going to happen in the end, and only then I can watch a movie. And I can't even watch movies that are really very impactful. Yeah, it leaves a lot of impact on me. If it's sad, it leaves me sad for like 2-3 days. So I don't want to do that to me. And yes, theaters is one thing I can't go to unless the movie is really, really, really nice. If the movie is like fun and everything, like my mom and everyone around me hates me for this, I watch movies like Tismar Khan because it has no storyline. It's just fun and stupidity, and like Happy New Year with Shah Rukh Khan and everyone, because it's just dance and being funny and all that, but it has nothing that will leave you sad. In the end, it's all happy, 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 and it's just time pass, and there's nothing like a serious matter in it. So yeah, I like movies which have no storyline. That is such a stupid thing to say. So I'll just put on lashes right now and click up a few pictures for Instagram. So that is it about the facts. I hope you learned something about makeup and also learned a few things about me, although in a weird way. But if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to. Tell me something that I don't know about you so that I can know you better, since you've already known me better by the end of the video. And I'll see you soon, and I mean it, I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Upasna.
और वो चाहिए बता.
अरे हाँ, my favorite song is छैया छैया.
She was very young, like about
trending
5 months old, and she would literally dance.
आप कौन सा fact बताना चाहोगे मेरे बारे में?
She's the best daughter in the whole world.
Tell me something new.